Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to create a Roblox account on your mobile device. Let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is jump into your Play Store or your App Store and download Roblox. It's literally free. You're going to go and jump into Roblox and you'll see this page. Here you can go and click on create account. Here you will add your birthday. Now this is very important because depending on how old you are, you will have a different type of account. So if you are, I believe it's under the age of 6, between the ages of 6 and 13, between the ages of 13 and 18, and then if you're 18 and older, you will have different features that are available within the Roblox. Make sure that you're adding the correct date. I'm going to go ahead and give away my age. There we go. 1991. Cool. Choose the date there. All right, that's good. All right, now confirm your birthday. Here you can add a username. So let's go and add a username. So let's say how to harbor, and then you will choose your gender, which is of course optional, as you can see here. You are then going to click on continue. You will need a few seconds for this just to process. It does say that you need to set up a device passcode, and you can either do this on your mobile device or you can just save it on another device, but in this case we're going to just set up Face ID and passcode. So if you're on iPhone, you will be redirected to settings in Face ID and passcode, and here you are going to choose a method. So it says use Face ID for, and then you're going to go and click on set up Face ID down over here. And once you've done that, you will get back into your Roblox account and you will be in the home page of your Roblox account. Then you can choose the game that you would like to play, as well as manage all of your account settings.